Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can apply a wing effect on your images. This effect is really cool, so you enjoy this video. So you can use your own images and also use your client images for this effect. So let's get started. And I search here Instagram post and search Instagram post square. Guys, it is loading. It shows us different templates. I click on create a blank template, and I will teach you how to upload a wing effect on front face image and back face image. So first of all, I would like to go to photos and search here images for background. Like I search here travel, I see the image here. Yeah, this one. Or back face image. So this is image is good, and after that I stretch the image, and that's it. After that, go to elements and search here wings, graphics, and here. That's not look good. I think this one is good. And change the color white, black, and after that graphics, yeah, I think this one is good. Yeah, it's look good. So I click on the image and remove the background of the image for the clear view. And I press Ctrl Z for this and that. So this in this way you apply wings on your image. And let's talk about front face. Like I select this image, I think it also, no, click on this image, stretch the image, no, yeah, it's look good. After that I stretch the image, and go to elements and search wings, and increase the size of the wings and send it to backward. Sorry, but first of all I have to remove the background. And you can see our effect of wings are applied, and I send this image to back, and that's it. So in this way you can apply on front image. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.